I think the biggest issue I see is so-called head-in-pillow defect, where you have the sphere on the bottom of the package is simply not coalescing properly with the solder joint, and that's quite hard to spot. You can get a good electrical contact, but if you look on an X-ray, you'll find that there isn't a proper wet and spread of the joint. It is weaker. It won't last as long in the field due to drop testing, for example. So I think users who are assessing solder paste for use on very, very fine pitch devices, 0.4, 0.3 millimeter, really should look carefully at the coalescence capability of the solder paste, because you have very small powder with a high surface area which is very prone to oxidation, and that stresses the flux capability very much. A test that we do is we put a solder sphere directly on a small deposit of solder paste. We put it on a copper slide on top of a hot plate. We keep it at 250 degrees in air, and we just see how long it takes for the joint to be poor, to essentially give you a head-in-pillow defect. And of course, the longer the time period it takes, the better. And that's a good way to assess the merits of different products.